Hello. You need to download these files in order to be able to reverse tether to Android. First, you need to download platform tools to access your Android through ADB. Then download the reverse tether software. You might consider downloading these ADB drivers in case if your phone wouldn't detect your computer. Before stepping onto the computer, make sure you have enabled USB debugging option in your mobile. Then go to your downloads folder and extract all the files. Install drivers first. Copy the files in the reverse tether folder to the platform tools folder. Connect your mobile to computer using USB cable. Open the command file. Wait for the application to install and access your phone. A VPN connection request might ask. Accept. That's all. Now you can access your computer internet through USB cable.